morning students, welcome in English grammar class. Today about chapter number 5, pronoun. Topic: pronouns, words in place of noun. What is pronoun? Definition: a pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. प्रोनाउन क्या है? जो नाउन की जगह पर यूज किया जाता है उसे हम प्रोनाउन कहते हैं। और नाउन क्या होता है? नाउन इज अ नेमिंग वर्ड्स। वो पहले ही क्लास में मैं पढ़ा चुका हूँ। तो नाउन की जगह पे जो वर्ड्स यूज किए जाएंगे उन्हें हम प्रोनाउन कहेंगे। एग्जांपल्स: आई, मी, वी, ही, सी, हर, हिम, दे, देम। दीज आर प्रोनाउंस। तो आई, मी, वी, ही, सी, हर, हिम, दे, देम कहाँ यूज होते हैं? अगर नाउन की जगह पे यूज होते हैं तो हम वहां पर हम इनको ये क्या कहलाते हैं? प्रोनाउन कहलाते हैं। लेट्स एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं क्या होता है। आपकी बुक में दिया गया है, द बॉयज आर प्लेइंग आउटसाइड। द बॉयज आर प्लेइंग आउटसाइड। The boys should come inside. The boys should come inside. Here, the boys or the boys are two times. तो यहाँ नाउन बार बार आ रहा तो सेंटेंस अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे? प्रोनाउन का यूज करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम द बॉयज आर प्लेइंग आउटसाइड। दे शुड कम inside. Here, they is used instead of the boys. The boys is noun and they is pronoun. It is pronoun. It is used instead of the boys. So, understand? A pronoun is word used instead of noun. The boys is noun and they is pronoun. Take a screenshot and write down in your grammar fair notebook. Underline the pronouns in the lines given below. Here is few lines. So read. Priya and Seema burst a play. It was very funny. It is pronoun. It is pronoun. It is used instead of play. Was very funny. They is pronoun. It is used instead of Priya and Seema. They were happy and told the theme of the play to Nina and me. Me is pronoun. It made us laugh a lot. Us. Who is us? Us, Priya, Seema, Nina and me. So, us use of instead Priya, Seema, Nina and me. So, us is pronoun. Laugh a lot. We are now going to see the play. We is pronoun. We is used instead of Priya, Seema, Nina and me. So these are pronouns. Take a screenshot and underline in your notebooks these pronouns. Question number B. Match the sentence in the two columns. Columns A and column B. The neighbors stayed for years. The neighbors. Let's check. It is not suitable pronoun. Let's go and watch. No, they were very helpful. So they were very helpful is correct. The never stayed for a year. So right here 1. There is new movie coming up. Let us go and watch it. 2. The train is here for passengers. It 3. It will take them to their destination. Don't touch that expensive gift. Right here 4. It must be handled with care. Our team is very good. Right here 5. We won the match. What is Rohit's email ID? I want to write to him. 6. My name is Rohan. I like to play tennis. Right here 7. What is Shreya's telephone number? Right here 8. I want to call her. Let's see where is pronoun. First, it will take them to their destination. It is used instead of train. Them to their destination. Let us go and watch it. It is 2 number movie. They were very helpful. They never. We won the match. It must be handled with care. It 4 number. It means gift. I want to write to him. I want to call her. I and her. Here is him also. 7. I like to play tennis. I is used instead of row. Take screenshots and match in your book, but match write 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, 6, 8, 7 numbers. Don't write do this types. Don't draw this type lines. Okay.